Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add an outline to an object or shape in Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me remove that example rectangle here, close that color picker and show you how it works. So here in that artboard, guys, what you want to do is start by entering or inserting your shape. It may be a rectangle, a polygon, or a rectangle, or a circle, sorry. So what you want to do is use the given shape tool, position it on your canvas, and as you can see now it already has an outline. So let me remove that and show you how I added that outline. So now we got that rectangle without an outline. So what you want to do is click into this button below the given selected object, stroke, and here that's option number 1, and here increase the outline weight by moving that slider to the right, and you will see that outline. You may also use these buttons here, up and down, to change the outline weight or enter a value here. If you click into that color picker to the left, with your double click, you will be given access to that color picker, so you may change the color of that outline. So that's option number 1. Let me just remove the outline weight. What you want to do in option number 2, guys, is the following. Let me move the rectangle here to the center. You may select it with your left mouse, press Ctrl C or Command C if you're using a Mac to copy it, press Ctrl V or Command V if you're using a Mac again, and then you will see that copy pasted or duplicated object. So what you want to do is move it exactly above your first object, and you will see these grid lines here for orientation, showing you that it has been placed just above the first object. Release your left mouse, and what you want to do after that is right click into the second object, select arrange here at the bottom, and move it to the back, send backwards or to back, one of these. And in the final step, well, the second object that's now in the background selected, click into the stroke or outline here, increase the weight, and adjust also and customize the color here. Click into OK, and now these two objects look like this. We got that rectangle in the front and the other one in the background, serving as an outline. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.